April 27. And time check is 4:15 in the morning. So, nandito kami ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3 and nakalagpas na rin kami ng immigration. Ang lang sa amin ng immigration officer is kung saan kami nag-work. And then ngayon, waiting na lang kami for our boarding. See you guys later!
Where's all our bags? Hello, guys. What name is that? Me! I'm Airplane. The airplane's gonna take off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this. Oh my god. Mommy, come. Oh, that one also big. Auntie, that's big. Ready, where's mommy? This one. So small. It looks so big. What do you want? This is soda and this is water. Okay, you want this right here?
Jetstar Airways flight JQ80 is now ready for boarding. We're now inviting Flight 110 bound for Hong Kong. May we have your attention, please? We would like to inform you that your flight will be delayed due to late repositioning of the aircraft and sequential to awaiting gate availability. We sincerely apologize for the inconveniences we have caused you.
Naiinip na yung mga madam ko. Hello! Look for number 27, Arin. Look up.
May we request all guests to stow your
Go forward.
I wish I bring a book. Are we gonna take off now? Are we going to go? Sit. And put the phone tablet. And we can play right. We can move that. We can show that. What is that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at my bags.
We're in Hong Kong! Waiting na lang kami sa train para lumipat papuntang immigration. Hawak. Lalabas lang namin ng immigration. Medyo maraming tao pero mabilis lang. So kunin lang namin yung luggage namin. Arin, come here. Where are you? Withdraw muna kami, guys. Tapos gumagalaw yung ano niyan, yung tenga niya. Ang cute. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda yarn.
Ganda yarn.
Ayan, so paglabas mo ng arrival hall, dito lang sa front niya, yung bilihan ng octopus card.
Arya, move, Arya.
So, ito yung mga presyo ng octopus card nila. So, sa adult, 170. Sa elder, 170. And then, 110 sa child. Here na yung octopus card na nabili namin. So, yung bus terminal dito, diretso ka lang. Tapos, makikita mo naman dyan yung signage. Yan. Tapos, magle-left turn ka. Diyan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. So, ayan. Ditong area, left tayo. Going to the bus terminal. Yan. Dire-diretso lang. Tapos, dito, yan. Lakad na kayo dire-diretso hanggang sa dulo. Makikita niyo dyan yung bus terminal. Basta dulo lang kayo, lalabas na kayo dyan. A31 pala, nandito siya sa kabilang side. Hindi siya ka-line ng mga A21. So, ayan. A31 ang sasakyan kapag ang hotel nyo rin ay katulad ng hotel namin sa Panda Hotel. So, ayan. A31 pag sa gabi and 31.
Where are we going now?
Hotel.
I'm right here, so fast here. Oh my god. Hey. There's the other bus there. There's three. I could do this. Oh, there's a violet party. Oh, I found another bus. There's two buses. I found two buses. I found three. I also found the airplane. An airplane. I also found the airplane. And two buses. The other one is yellow. And the other one is orange.
Hi guys! Nakarating na kami sa Panda Hotel. So, bigyan lang namin kayo ng quick room tour. So, ito. Yan. Yan yung pinaka main door. Yan. Tapos dito sa right side is yung CR. So, sa CR, may bathtub siya. Yan. Yan. Malaki siya compared dun sa mga guest house. Tapos, though, ayan. Wala nga lang siyang bidet. Parang normal naman yata na walang bidet. Pero yung bowl niya, yan. Malinis siya. Yan. Tapos, dito. Yan. Yan. May mirror. Yan. Hi, Arya.
Hi!
Yan. Tapos, may dalawang tissue dito. Tapos, facial tissue. Hand soap. Tapos, meron din dito dental kit. Tatlo. Meron silang shampoo, conditioner, and then shower gel. Ito yan. Shower area. Sa left side, meron ka ditong pa full body mirror. Tapos dito, sa tapat ng mirror, okay. Merong cabinet. Ayan. May mga hanger. May hair blower. May safe deposit box. Ayan siya. Tapos dito, ayan. Hello! Ayan. May TV. Ayan, dalawa yung bed. Isang, queen size noon. Queen size, tsaka isang single bed. Kasi yan, may sofa bed. Kasi yan, may pailaw sila dyan. Tapos may dito. May vanity din dito. Parang may vanity mirror. Tapos yan. Tapos yan. Meron itong parang working area. Nilagyan namin maraming food. Tapos, Sorry, medyo magulo na kasi excited sila magpahinga. Napagod ng bongga. Tapos, ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung view namin. So, yan. Yung view namin is yung hospital. I think that's Yanchay Hospital. Yan. Yan yung view namin.
How can you move?
May pa-sleeper sila dyan. Yan, yung isa nagamit ko na. Tapos, kung kailangan nyo pa ng extra, nagbibigay din naman siya. Tapos, yan, may flashlight. Tapos, yan, may phone. Dito nga pala, meron din silang ref. Tapos, meron silang, ayan, initan ng water. May pa-free coffee yata. Ito, ano ba ito? That's this coffee. Tapos, tea. Ayan, jasmine tea. Black tea. Ano ba ito? What's this? White sugar. Tapos, ito feeling ko, okay.
Brown sugar.
Coffee. Golden coffee sugar crystals. O, diba social? Baka brown sugar lang yun. Yan.
It's closer.
So, ayun. Yun lang yung kasama dito sa room namin. Guys, so ngayon, palabas na ulit kami at pupunta kami sa TST para manood ng Symphony of Lights. Yan. Guys, so andito na kami. Naabutan namin siya.
Daddy, go here.
Rin. Ate.
Mommy.
Nakabili kami ng ice cream. Sarap, ate? How about Arin? Sarap?